Ever wondered how to find the exact value of sine for an angle like 225 degrees? It might seem tricky, but today we're going to break it down step by step. First, let's visualize 225 degrees on our unit circle. We start at the positive x-axis and rotate clockwise, passing through the second quadrant, then the third. Notice where 225 degrees lands. Now here's the key. 225 degrees is in the third quadrant. Think of it like a sign on a number line. In the third quadrant, the sine value is always negative. To find the exact value, we use the concept of a reference angle. This is the acute angle formed with the x-axis. For 225 degrees, we subtract 180 degrees, which gives us 45 degrees. On the unit circle, 45 degrees is the same as 225 degrees, but measured from the x-axis in the third quadrant. The sine of 45 degrees is a well-known value, the square root of 2 over 2. Since 225 degrees is in the third quadrant where sine is negative, we take the negative of the sine of its reference angle.